Well, no top off for me. Hey, it's Matt, Boston Drives for the RideShare Guy. And Prop 32, as we're calling the settlement between the Massachusetts Attorney General and Uber and Lyft, kicked in on August 15th. The first 2-week period where they top off the earnings if you earn below the minimum of $32.50 an hour, which is, again, active time. This is only time that you are on the way to a passenger or have a passenger in the car. That's P2 and P3 periods. And fortunately, I made more, 50% more than the Prop 32 minimum for the 30 rides I did for Lyft over the last 2 weeks, which was really only a couple of days that I drove for them. Would have earned $310 with the minimum. I earned $463 before tips. For Uber, I actually earned a little bit more, did a little bit more driving. I don't drive a lot during the summer, but I did 10 hours and 45 minutes of driving on week 1. Earned $685, which was just about 2 times the prop minimum. Week 2, I drove 5 hours and 55 minutes, averaged $79.18 an hour. That is 2.5x approximately of the $32.50 minimum. So the totals on Uber for the 2-week period: $1,154, 16 hours, $69.24 an hour, which is 2.13x of the Prop 32 minimum. So fortunately, not being topped off, that's the goal. If you are a Massachusetts driver, let us know where you drive and whether or not you got topped off, what your general thoughts are on it. And if you have any questions, drop them below and we'll try to answer them for you.